Hi everyone, I'm Yan again. Today I will tell a story. Green tea, Larry the frog. She lived in Austin, Texas. Her she really loved tea. Every day she drank 85 cups of tea. Her favorite tea is green tea. One day she met a Japanese man. The man tells the frog, if you love green tea, you should go to Japan. Japan is the best green tea in the world. The frog is very excited. She needs money to buy plane ticket to Japan. She wants to buy Japan through pass as well. So she goes to her mom. She asked her mom, can you please give me $4,000? I want to go to Japan to drink green tea. Her mother said, are you crazy? I don't have $4,000. So the frog doesn't give up. She goes to her dad and says, can you please give me $4,000? I want to go to Japan to drink green tea. Her father said, I want to have you for sure, but I don't have 4,000. But I don't have money. Why don't you go to the bank and get money? She ran to the bank. She goes inside and look around. She sees the sign safe in the back. She goes into the safe. No one sees her because she is small frog. She gets into the safe and takes $7,462. Then she leaves the bank. No one sees her. She buys the first class ticket to Japan and Japan Rail Pass. When she arrives Kyoto, Japan, she immediately goes to the tea shop and buys 126 cups of tea and drinks them all. She smiles and says, that is the best tea I have had. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye bye.